Is there a foundation repair company that even services my area? I'm in the middle of nowhere here in Central Texas, and I don't know who I can call. So does Anchor Foundation Repair service my area? Well, here's a list of all the cities that we service. Some of them you've probably heard of, some of them probably not. Maybe you live in one of these areas. So we service from A to W. Let's go over some of them here. So Anderson, Cameron, Carmine, Carlos, Calvert, New Baden, get all the way to Singleton, Shiro, Snook, Wixon Valley, Ward, Willis. All these little towns are all areas that we service. In general, we actually are centrally located here in Bryan College Station. And we like to service surrounding areas or surrounding counties around that. Bigger cities would be like Brenham, Madisonville, probably a little bit north of Hearn, maybe up to about Marlin area. A little bit past Navasota, essentially getting over to Montgomery is about our service area. So I know it's a lot to cover. There is a map on the Contact Us page that will show a general blanket area of what that service area is. And if you're living in one of these areas and you feel like you're having foundation problems, don't hesitate to give us a call. You can call us at 979-690-2020 and speak with someone on the phone. Or if you don't feel like talking to anybody, you can always go online to our website and fill out a Contact Us form and we'll be in touch shortly.